Hello and welcome back to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm excited because we are going to be doing another little bit type of a copycat recipe, but it's not really a copycat because the recipe has been given to us already. That's right. Do you guys know who Joshua Weissman is? Joshua Weissman is this unbelievable YouTube cook who's got great comedy, great content, and some really, really nice ways to make cooking easy and accessible to the public. And I love him. I love him so much that I'm going to be making one of his recipes. He said that he's got this recipe for a cake. It's simple, it's easy, and it's moist.
Moist.
And delicious. That's what he said. So we're going to be trying it out. Today I'm going to show you how to make carrot cake with a beautiful homemade white frosting. And I'm going to show you how to do it right. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen.
If it's looking a little too thick, you can always add about a quarter cup of whole milk.
Alright, so I've done it. I've made Joshua Weissman's carrot cake, and let me tell you something. It's better than I expected. Super easy to make, beautifully moist. I put his salted caramel sauce on here. I'll be releasing that later on this week if you want to know how to make it. And I just cannot wait to get my teeth around this piece of cake. Mouth is watering. Oh my God. Oh. Bam! Boom! Oh, so good. The best cake I have had. The best carrot cake I've made. And it's super easy. Very fast. Moist. You've got that nice little chew. Listen. The outside's got a little crunch to it, but it's not too hard. It's not burnt. Oh. And that caramel, oh, it takes it to a whole new level. Guys, thanks for coming to my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps our channel a lot and lets you know every time a video is released. And don't forget also, if you'd be interested in helping our channel out, become a Patreon. You get early releases of videos, and we're gonna let everybody know that you are supporting our channel. Take care and have a great day.